Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Jyoti from Angie and Joe's channel, and today I am taking you to my garden and I am going to repot a plant. So repotting is normally done when you bring a new plant from a nursery and it is in that black bag which you have to again transfer to the pot that you have at home. So that's the one reason when you do repotting. The second thing is when the plant is root bound, or when root bound means it's like there's no place for the roots to grow further. That's again the second thing when you need to repot it and give space for the roots to expand. The third time when you think about repotting is when the plant has grown and it is outgrown the pot that it is in, and there's not enough space for water or the soil or to put the manure and everything, or fertilizers and everything. So that's when you do the repotting. So for me it's the third thing. I have a plant which is very big, and I want to change the pot because there's not enough space for the roots to expand, and it is also root bound to some extent. So I'm first going to loosen up the soil and plant it in another pot which is bigger in size, so there's enough space for the plant to grow. Now, first thing that you need to remember when you are repotting a plant is that you need to stop watering the plant for before one day of repotting, because that loosens up the roots little bit and it gives the plant to settle down. And then when you remove the plant from the previous pot or the bag, it is not sticky, and it is little bit loosen up. So let me show you the process that I am going to do today to repot my Erica palm. So this is the plant that we need to repot. As you can see, the roots are it's completely root bound, and there's no place for roots to grow further. So that's why we are changing it and planting it in a bigger pot. So we have not watered this plant for a day because we need to remove the soil as well, as it is root bound. We need to loosen up the soil and increase the amount of soil in the new pot. So slightly tap the plant so that the soil gets loosened up. And this is the pot in which we are going to plant it now. Since it's a big plant, loosening up the soil will take some of the time, and because the roots are very hard here, so try as much as possible not to disturb the roots much. Just remove the soil. Now once the soil is loosened up, the plant is ready to plant in the new pot. You have to take the pot, and we are putting some broken pot pieces inside to ensure proper drainage, and then fill it with little bit of soil, cover it with the soil. So this is how we are going to put it, and then this we are going to cover up with the soil, and on the top of that we are going to put our plant. Now once you plant in the new pot, ensure that there is enough space for watering the plant, enough space to put manure and everything. There should be at least 1 inch of space. Now fill soil in the plant and completely cover it so that there's no space inside, and then keep this plant in shaded area so that if there is because it we have given a shock to the plant by repotting it in a different pot, so it needs time to recover. If you keep it in sun, it will dry, so keep it in shady area and water it. The plant will take 1 or 2 days to get over with this shock and then again start growing. So finally my repotting is done. Now if you are someone who are struggling with the plants and who wants to buy new plants and all, so the best thing is to start with the simple plants, because the chances of killing the plants reduces. But even if you kill couple of plants, that's fine, because that's how we learn. No one, no one I know has bought a plant and not killed it in the beginning, because we are not aware about the when to water, when to give fertilizer to the plant. So it happens, but eventually you learn. So it's completely fine if you want to if you are thinking of going to planting and gardening and decorating your house or your balcony with plants. It's better to start small, and then eventually when you're comfortable with couple of plants, you can move, get more. So happy gardening. Bye bye.